Hello guys, a new mining site. The link will be in description. This is the homepage of the site. You press get started to log on to register to the site. You put your email, you choose your gender, you put your birthday and country, username, password, and confirm password. Then you click in I'm not a robot, complete captcha. Then you sign up. Also, you can sign up with Google. I will sign up now. I have an account. This is the home page of the site. Like you see, it's a new one. Like you see, this is the home page. Here you put your wallet, email, FastPay. You put your FastPay email, wallet, and click on authorize. There is your profile here. You click in menu here. There is referral, there is achievement, there is leaderboard, there is earn point. Here you will earn a point at a high paying site. There is tasks. Daily you will get tasks. For the first, you must create a YouTube video and get 5,000 view. You will get 4,000 point. It will be reviewed in 12 hours. Here you watch video and write a comment. We press here to get 13 points. You write a comment, and after watching the video you write a comment and make screenshot of your comment and the link of your comment put here. Then you submit your payment proof, your proof. There is also a bonus of $13 if you make withdraw from the site Paul Bukes. Here you get your 13 points just by make a review in Trust Pilot. Also there is short links to get some points. It's high paying. There is offer wall. You can use offer wall and get a huge number of coins. Like you see, we choose this one. Like you see, this is run the app, new user only for 8,400 point. Let's do it. It's a simple offer. We download the application. We wait until download, complete this task, and we will see how to get points. It's a high-paying site. Many ways to withdraw, to pay to PayPal. You will see in withdraw section. Let's do an account, a new one. You must do a new account. If you have an account, you must delete and make a new account in Alibaba. Now we install the application. After that, we create an account. I advise to work in offer wall to get huge number of coins. Minimum payment for per year is for dollars. It's simple. You can do some it's asked for upgrading. We just download the application. You will get points from offer walls. I advise to work in offer walls. Minimum per watt is 3. I think it is $3.7. It's simple. You can do some offers, 2 or 1 offer, and get points and withdraw to your per year. It's simple. We complete offer and see how to get point. It's a high paying site. Daily you get tasks and get paid. That's why we wait until complete. I completed my account, my new account. We return to the site. We open Alibaba like that. Press and join. We return. Like you see from the save device and location, you must be a new user. It may be up to 24 hours. Yeah, I will get in 24 hours these coins. I already done this offer. Let's return to the site. Let's see in withdraw section. Also, you can deposit and advertise in this site. Like you see, there is phone cash, there is PayPal, there is Payeer. Like you see, one Payeer, it means $1. It equal to 1,115 points. It's simple. You can make video and get $4 easy. Also, you can do offers like I show you the best way to get coins. Also, there is many other offers. You can install this application and play for 15 minutes. It's simple. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. The link of the site will be in the description. See you another mining video.